Transferring or gifting mutual fund units held in non-demat is easier than you think with the KFintech centralized portal. Just follow these steps. Start by visiting mfs.kfintech.com/transfer of units. Choose the category that fits your requirement. For gifting or addition and deletion of units, select Category 2. Enter the first holder's PAN as per folio records and accept the terms and instructions. Under Contact Details, select your contact mode, request the OTP and enter it to verify.
Select the PGIM as AMC and folio. Then choose your reason for transfer, relation and scheme details.
Choose to transfer all units or enter a specific unit count. If the transferee is new, select Create New Folio. Otherwise, enter the existing folio number. Review and validate the transferee's folio details carefully before proceeding. Complete two-factor authentication by entering the OTPs sent to both the transferor and the transferee. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating a successful transfer or gift. That's it, a safe, fully digital way to gift or transfer mutual fund units in SOA mode, powered by KFintech.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.